Thank you so much for joining us for another edition of All Angles. I'm Dion Jackson Miller. So the years of debate over how best to recognize the contributions of Bob Marley and Miss Lou, that has now taken a new turn with the announcement by Prime Minister Andrew Holness that a new category of national honor to be called National Icon is to be created for both Miss Lou as well as Bob Marley. We're going to be talking about that in this program. Is that sufficient? Should they be national heroes? What does a national hero mean? What does it mean to be a national hero in 2024? We're going to be hearing from the Information Minister, Dr. Dana Morris-Dixon, also from the Opposition Spokesperson on Culture and the Creative Industries, Dr. Deborah Hicklin-Gordon. Dr. Lakim Semaj is going to be with us as well. And in studio, we have public affairs commentator Robin Jerry Small, as well as storyteller and college orator at the Edna Manley College of the Visual and Performing Arts, Dr. Amina Blackwood Meeks. Before we hear from anybody, though, Giovanni Dennis has this overview.
Long time, y'all, me never see you. Get up, stand up for your right.
Bob Marley have made significant contribution as it relates to reggae music. Miss Lou has made significant contribution as it relates to the Jamaican culture, the diaspora on a whole.
They have brought significant awareness to our culture to the world.
They've made stellar contributions, they both have. Remember, everywhere in the world you're going to say Bob Marley, them related to Jamaica. And for us in the Caribbean, and we are used to the culture, the patois, the dialect. Miss Lou.
So, the question is, how should Jamaica recognize those contributions? Currently, both Bob Marley and Miss Lou, Louise Bennett Coverley, hold the Order of Merit, Jamaica's third highest honor. For years, there's been a debate about whether they deserve to be named national heroes, Jamaica's highest honor. Now, Prime Minister Andrew Holness has announced that instead, the two are to be conferred with the award of National Icon in a new specially created category.
On completion of the legal process, the Order of National Icon will be conferred on the Honorable Louise Bennett Coverley, Miss Lou, and the Honorable Robert Nestor Marley.
Opposition leader Mark Golding disagrees.
I continue to call for Robert Nestor Marley, who more than any other has made our music an inspirational force of liberation, justice and equality for all the peoples of the world, to be recognized as the national hero he is.
Some Jamaicans feel that cultural contributions do not entitle you to be named a national hero.
I agree with the government's plan to name them national icons instead of national heroes. Because for a hero, they would have fought for freedom, for a country, for rights, civil rights, etc. That's what the national heroes would have done. For the icons, they would have brought cultural awareness to our island.
Our national heroes are people that done a lot for us back in slavery days to help us be free at this moment in time. Bob Marley is more of an icon because he helped put reggae music on the map and give a chance to a lot of these artists now that them can go on to be international artists and have a good career. So I do agree with the icon status.
The criteria for being named a national hero, though, are very broad. The Order of National Hero is conferred upon any person born in Jamaica or who at the time of death was a citizen of Jamaica and rendered to the country service of a most distinguished nature. The order's motto is, "He built a city which hath foundations." Barbados has no such issues. In 2021, when Barbados removed the Queen as head of state, the country also named international superstar Rihanna as a national hero, making news around the world.
That Ambassador Robin Rihanna Fenty tomorrow morning shall have conferred upon her the Order of National Hero of Barbados. May you continue to shine like a diamond.
For context, Barbados' other living national hero is cricket legend Sir Garfield Sobers. So sports and music. So, does this latest announcement silence the argument here in Jamaica over who is a national hero? Or has it just added fuel to what is already a fiery national debate? Giovanni Dennis for All Angles.
Okay, thank you so much, Giovanni. All right, so I'm just going to go around the room first of all and ask quickly what do you think about this idea of a national icon status being bestowed on Miss Lou as well as Bob Marley? And let me start with you, Dr. Blackwood-Meeks.
Can I just avoid that question for a moment to say what the announcement indicates? The announcement indicates something about our national liberation process. It indicates something about excluding the people from discussions of national importance, even as we are on our way to republic status. That's very important. We are having a discussion, a national maybe argument about national hero or national icon, and nobody has said to us, these are the criteria. This is how we first arrived at the first one, and they need to be revised or not revised. And as we seek to expand our democracy to include the general populace, we want to know what you think.
So you say you feel the public has been shut out?
Absolutely.
All right, Jerry Small.
There is a pantheon of honor. What I'm calling national honors. On the top of it is national hero. The next is order of the nation. Who get order of nation? You know?
I think it's governors general, if I'm not.
And prime minister.
Correct.
And then after that, order of merit.
Right.
In what order will this national icon come?
I was told it would be second after national hero.
So it's national hero and then
national icon.
Now they are already national icons. And as I've been saying for 35 years, if the man known as Jesus or Jesus was made a national hero of Israel from 35 years ago, I'm saying not this year, his prestige would go down terribly. Because he is not a national hero of Israel. Because the officials of Israel, from Herod and the religious leader, the political leader of Israel, Herod at that time, who was a puppet king, and the religious leaders of Israel, who were servants of Rome, the king of kings was Caesar. They betray him and sell him out and then execute him.
Okay, I'm going to have to ask you to compress the point a little bit for me.
So therefore, you say, well, go on Israel, now can you imagine if Jesus was a national hero of Israel, how much prestige are going on when people find out what them Israel is really about.
So you're saying that to say that what in
they are already national icons, but what really happening now is that the conferral of this officially by the politician, the people already confer that on them now. But that's why they don't consult with us. They want credit for it. So I don't know people coming out. The conferral of national icon on Louise Bennett and Bob Marley at this time is brown nosing or at best brownie hunting.
All right,
it is election scoring of points.
Hold that thought for me. I'm going to go to break. When we come back, we're going to hear from the Information Minister, and then we'll go to our other guests. So whole heap more to come. Don't go anywhere. Stay tuned.